Anand, what is a successful product as per you?
I mean,
And then I think we can tailor this to the flavor of the season. What is a successful AI product today
no,
versus a shaky one?
I will tell you whether it's AI or not, right?
Okay, what is a
The
good product?
oldest definition of a successful product
Huh.
is you don't need any salespersons to sell.
Does
It
that
just
really
sells
happen?
itself.
Does that really
right?
happen?
No, so I'll tell you
Does that
why.
ever
Yeah,
happen?
so I'll tell you what they genuinely mean by saying that is that the product is good enough that it sells itself 60% of the distance. The 40% the salesperson does is literally to close.
Okay.
You still need salespeople to the extent that
get the trial.
humans are not immediate machines. I like it, I'm going to pay, make it. No, they don't do that. So you need a little bit, but this product is so good that it sells itself. Another way to measure a good product, a successful product is you use it repeatedly, you tell others you're using it. There is nothing like that. There is nothing as better than that.
So trial to sign up rate should be great, and
Very
then
high. And repeat
word of mouth.
usage should be very high.
Okay, and then word of mouth.
Word of mouth, exactly. NPS, that's what they say, right? Net Promoter Score.
Got it.
You tell people, hey, you know what? You said that you're buying a washing machine. I bought an LG one 10 years before, works like a charm, never had a problem. We use it every day, not a problem. There's nothing, you can't beat that at all.
So there are a lot of, ever since GPT came out, like November 2022, there was a wave that, okay, we will build wrappers. And then they were like, okay, wrappers will die. Then we saw multiple LLMs coming out. They were like, oh, no, wrappers will sustain, LLMs can be switched. And now a lot of wrapper-based tools are coming out.
Correct.
They're getting funded as well. And they're seeing insane traction. Like I know of a startup that sort of was born about 6 months ago. And I'm like, how's it going? They've raised a round, but they're like, we're already breaking even. I was like, what's your revenue? It's like, MRR is so, the monthly recurring revenue is so that we can claim to be in doing millions over the year. But many such products, they see sharp rise adoption, and then what's happening? Because this trials to sign up is happening.
And by the way, this happened.
Is this the wrong market that they're going after? What's happening?
Yeah. By the way, this happened. I mean, you're talking about the current AI wave, but this has been happening for every platform thing before.
Makes sense of it for me.
You go and look at Play Store. There are apps they put which took off majorly, and then it's like who has a calendar app, calculator app? It's all there inbuilt in the tools. They're all really good, right? So in the beginning they were not that good. So I do think the important thing product developers should think about for knowing whether they are a wrapper now and a core capability later is seeing how differentiated is it is it literally putting just a veneer on top of this? Is it new capability? Is it new capability which the platform thinks is more fundamental to it? Right? Let's say you say that I'm going to build a new payments capability but every platform needs to have payments capability. So it could be considered a fundamental thing for that platform.
So it's a feature.
It's a way, Now if you bring a new feature, which is why a while before, Kunal Shah said that, lending is a feature of every fintech app. It's not a separate company. So every company which will go there. Right? So at some point you're going to be threatened. Now if you do it so well, you might be acquired by one of the platform companies, or you will keep sustaining and you will keep going. Right? A good example of it, I would say, is today if you look at OTT platforms, right? I mean, Netflix thrives on its own. Netflix initially started out only digitizing from DVD to this, right? But now they have so much original programming. They're an entirely sustained. So what ended up happening is they were doing some feature where taking content digital was their feature. Then they said generating digital content. Now they became a platform of their own.
Right.
So that's what I'm saying. The veneer people could become core also at some point if they were so good at it, right? I do think there is a lot of value to customer trust.
So feature can be GTM, but you got to have a long-term vision.
Correct.
You can go to market with a feature,
but you need to do it so well. You need to get so much customer trust, user trust, that you have a chance to become the platform itself. You have a chance to become the default.
Got it.
Right?
Okay.